Hello, it's me again. Why is spring prettier than summer? Now, don't get me wrong, I do prefer autumn. Autumn is just gorgeous. But spring is up there as well, just because of all, like, the cherry blossom petals just everywhere on the floor. I just think it's so pretty, especially when they're, like, falling from the air. It literally just looks like a dating simulator. It's awesome. Tell me your favourite season in the comments, I'd love to know. Anyway, Pastille out.